Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm feeling a little bit better, yeah. I'm waiting on bloods and a hospital appointment for an endoscopy or whatever it is. I'm still not sure what's going on in my stomach and etc. But anyway, yeah, so I thought I'd better shoot on over here and just catch up with you guys and let you know I'm still around. And yeah, so there's a few little changes, and one of them is right there in the back of the Laguna, right? I'm going to show you that now. And then just behind it, I decided to buy another bus, okay? And it's a bus as far as I'm concerned, because, you know, it looks like a bus, yeah? So anyway, just to keep you updated, guys, and just to say that I still haven't gone at my mate's bus, and nor have I had the energy for cutting and grinding and, you know, cleaning stuff is what I've been doing. So just to update you, right, on the last video, I think it was about rust prevention, yeah. So I put the bed on the lawnmower, okay, and I'll shoot you around and I'll show you. I cut some grass, I cut a lot of grass, and that was great. And then it was so high, and I had missed out, you know, so much cutting of the grass, that the grass was so high that I actually didn't collect it. I just threw it out from the machine, okay, and let the sun shine, which, you know, it's great, thank God we're getting sunshine, but let the sun deal with it, you know, it'll dry it out and it'll make it much lighter. And because it was long, you know, it was a slow cut anyway, and that was okay. I was collecting the grass, and a freaking pin broke in the back of the lawnmower on the collector side of things now. So the machine itself is great, tractor is great, the bed now is sorted, cutting beautifully, you know, lovely and quiet, running smooth like a machine should be. And then the bloody collector decides, you know, that there's a pin going to break. So this pin is about 70 mil long, 72 or 3 mil long, and it you know, maybe 60 mil, 63 mil is about 30 mil. I think it's about 30 mil bar round stock, and the little piece at the end, I'll show it to you in a second. I'm just going through stuff. So that needs doing, that broke, and there goes the collector. So I've got all my grass laying down and nothing to pick it up. So that's what I've kind of been concentrating on, yeah. And then I have no way of making that pin, obviously, yeah, until now, because in the back of the Laguna there's a lathe. So with the help of some really good friends, you know, and an engine hoist, it was all, you know, taken down and put into the back of the car just yesterday evening. So today is Saturday, and I'm about to show you the lathe, and my attempt at maybe with my engine hoist getting it out of the back of the car. And I also, there's a bus here that I want to show you as well. I'll give a quick walk around that, and yeah, just show you this. So guys, I'm just making the little is that too bright or what? Can't really see. Yeah, I'm just sorting out little bits that's, you know, in boxes and stuff, yeah. So we have the base here. to make again. It's a box foot, isn't it? Yeah, box foot. Yeah, it's on that little door there. Box foot, okay? And we undone some of it just to make it a little bit lighter and get it in the car, yeah? Yes, in the car. A lathe in the car. I know. So I'll just show you this. Okay guys, I'll continue on with maybe getting this out. I'll stick you on a tripod and you can have a view. They're all the bolts, yeah, for everything. Oh yeah, there's a plug in here, right? I forget again what the guy said that was for. Definitely someone was using that plug for something. This is one of the. It's the old switch, yeah. On off, just on off. I think this is for the pump. This is something I might like on a, you know, while I'm in the cleaning mode. It's probably worth restoring it, yeah. I think the guy used to machine some of this stuff as well, yeah. Right. I think these are all different size wheels, yeah. Everything is really covered in dust, hasn't been used, this kind of thing, yeah. That's an 80. I know for treading, I think it's the terminology now isn't great, to be honest. Yeah. $16. 216. Yeah, it's a double. That's a double, yeah. 215 and a 216. I think there'd be just one more spline on that one more. That'd be the difference, you know, a 215 and a 216. And you could change it to the end of that box. And there's lots of smaller ones, yeah, singular. I'll take them all out and we'll have a look when I go about. Like, there's several in that box. So the difference would be to set the machine up to go to do like treading. So if you wanted to, you know, to make bolts or whatever like that, yeah, you could have metric. Would be, I'm hoping the set that's on it is metric, obviously, because I use metric, but I won't be making any bolts just yet anyway, you know what I mean, or any treading or anything like that. But I don't know what else. Did I go to the bottom of that box? Yeah, okay. So that's the contents of this box, right? Put that away. I've seen some other wheels as well that have been there. This is the motor. I'll get some of it out, just help myself. That might be the original paint there. It's kind of a grey, like an anthracite. If somebody knows the original colour, it's something I'd like to do. Jesus. Oh, it's heavy. Again, I'm not sure if this is yeah, this would be because it says the Cub, yeah, the Cub motor, and it's 0.5, 230 volts, single phase, speed 1420, continuous. Rock Motors Limited, Express Works, Huddersfield, England. Yeah. Again, not sure if a little screw there missing. Yeah. Not sure if sounds sweet. Yeah. There's a little oiler. Yeah. Love the old tools, I tell you. I love the old. Yeah, they were so well made, you know. So it's half horsepower, you know. Probably last for several lifetimes. Yeah, an oiler on each end. So this is a newer box that's been put to it. Yeah. Okay. Try and get that out. So this stuff will drag along. I can only deal with that motor, I think. Clean all this up, yeah. Okay, I'll bring some more. There's nothing left in here, guys, in the hole. So I'll get this stuff out, because this was stuff I had in the boot of the car, you know. Break down stuff, and I'll hook this up and I'll bring you back. Okay, guys, I've got that strap around there, yeah. So I'm thinking I put that one through the hole, right, and there's a shackle so it can't come through, and I could put that through there, yeah, and shackle it, but I think if I maybe just shackle it there, shackle the two of them and lift here, that's probably the way I'll go at it, and see how all the balance is and see how I get on with it, yeah. Okay, so I'll set you up and we'll take it from there, yeah. Okay. Not that you'd be taking a lathe out of a Laguna, like. Yeah, try that, yeah? See how we get on. I'm hitting on something. Is the Laguna too narrow? I bought this, guys, this engine hoist, yeah, and this piece wasn't with it, so I had to you know, yeah, needs must, right? I'll pinch it up and I'll bring it back a bit, yeah. We'll go ever so careful. We have to, yeah. Okay. box section in here. I don't know if you can see, guys, but up to about here. So there's about a foot of it with box section on it. I know this is a little bit, completely goes against industrial standards. It's just to see if we can get it back a bit. That's the kind of movement I'm talking about, yeah? Right, and we go again. Inch by inch when you're on your own. You get a vice grips or something, but it's a seat clamp maybe, yeah? Get a seat clamp on that. I think we'll be okay as regards balance. This is about 4mm plate, yeah? Thereabouts. Okay, do it again. Put the bolt in there now, yeah? I don't know if you can see what's going on, guys. It's a bit better, yeah? Some chocks, yeah, and level it out, make it a bit safer. ideal for cleaning, yeah. I'm thinking if I had the little base with the casters on it, you know, the type, and if I could get it over on that, maybe that would be the easiest way to roll it to the garage. It's just me, guys, just me. Yeah, and hydraulic pressure. I've checked it for the weight and it's okay, it's very comfortable with it, yeah, there's no tipping. It's just how I should take the next stage, you know, like I always think about things, because yeah, I'm not going to be able to lift this over, you know, not a hope. I have this and Buster, that's it. I'll let it down a little lower anyway, I suppose I can do that. I was thinking, I don't have any holes, you know, to get it over on its side afterwards. But I do have those pads, you know, with the wheels. Now, they may not live up to this weight. That's the only thing. But they would do nicely, a pad there and a pad under there with the wheels on it. I'll show you in a second what I mean. But that would be a nice way of getting it up into the garage. Safe and stress-free. I suppose this could take it to the garage. But I still need to go all the way up to the back wall with it. And I will also have to do the lathe. I'll have a think about it. Okay guys, yeah, don't know if you've seen these or not, look, it's plasticky, okay, so very bendy and flexy, yeah, but they're okay, you know, they're okay. You'll see now in a second. I think while it's just there, and if I keep back enough, and Buster knows to keep well back anyway, yeah, we'll get a little bit closer and I'll just show you. You know, you'll get an idea. So just mind the toes. it smoothens it out, I suppose you could say, yeah. Let's give you a look closer. So, you know, you will get down to metal. It's not very abrasive at all, so it doesn't take anything off. I suppose it takes rust off. Yeah, very, very slowly. There isn't much rust on it, it's just a little surface rust is all that's on it. This is the oil tank, yeah? So it was oil cooled at one point in time, I don't think. You can see on the ground there, it's dripping. Yeah, that's the underside of the bed, guys. That's the drainer down, so there was a pipe and goes down into here and a pump. Yeah, I might see about, you know, getting all that, you know, to work again, but don't know what that just now at the moment, I don't know what that bit is for, but yeah, it's a nice tray. Yeah, you know, proper weld. Yeah. It's a nice material, you know, thickness as well to weld. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, you could just burn that stuff all day, boy. Anyway, that's the underside of the stand. Yeah, not everybody will see exactly how they were put together, so it gives you an idea, especially for the anoraks. There's a couple of drives in there as well, not shafts, but gears. Yeah, so hey, bust. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I'll come. I just wanted to get. I'll continue with the bottom of it, okay? Because afterwards it won't be that height again, and now is the time to have that done. You'd agree? So I'll come back. Yeah. You won't have to watch it all. Okay, guys. So I've decided I'm going to push that up into the garage. Yeah, as it is, because I swept the yard for pebbles and small, you know, something that would lock us up, but I think we're okay, yeah, to kind of go, you know. We'll push it up and we'll try, see how it goes, yeah. And if it's too stubborn or it's going against me, then plan B is to get them boards under it with the wheels and try that. You know, there's a ramp about 5-6 inches up into the garage floor, so, you know, yeah. We'll go for it, yeah? Okay, guys, I've unhooked the carriage from the horses, yeah? So that's where we're at, yeah? You're just scraping it and taking some of the old oil and grease and what's been stuck on it forever, yeah? And just giving it a wire brush, yeah? So you can see it's coming up. A little bit on the dark side. I get my vacuum cleaner. Not too bad. Oh, that's going to have to be cleaned out, yeah, there's like a tank. But, this is really not a restoration video, guys. Yeah. Just to say that it's looking a bit better, yeah, it's looking a bit cleaner, yeah. And we'll get to it. Okay, so over here I have this going on. So I've turned it over, yeah, and on the flat now, and now I'm going to get it lifted out of here, yeah. So let's get on with that. Oh, so you get so far. Just sneak it out if we can without busting the glass. Oh. Come on, come with us. It'll be good. It'll be good. Can't really go much higher than that. So shorten it up a little bit, maybe. I can't. I'm gonna have to shorten it up a little bit. Okay, I better get you back out of the way, guys. Yeah. We'll try that, yeah. See how we go. Come on, Buster, you move now. Seems to be not locking up. Sketchy, I know. Just going to clear the top of the car, like so. Engine heights are great, aren't they? This belongs to the guys. Got to return that, yeah? Two D-rings and a bigger one. Okay. Just check, see what? It's okay. See if we can marry the two, eh? I've just given it a rough clean, yeah. Water is good for you, yeah. Okay, so this is the front. And this is the front. So that will be going around like that. So I'm going to brush this off now before we go any further. Yeah, because it's minging. I'll just give you a look at that, guys. Yeah, just it is kind of yeah. Okay, a little bit dark, isn't it? So yeah, those ways are completely, yeah. I better do some settings and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, that's a little bit better, isn't it? So yeah, that's the level of, you know, it's fairly thick. Just to show you, yeah. Yeah, it's fairly built up there, yeah, as you can see. Yeah. So my research tells me that there should be a number here at the end. Yeah. Someplace stamped on it, and that'll give us an idea of what year this lathe is, you know, year of manufacture. I'm thinking 60 something, but again, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's it. It's the Boxford, and its maximum is 1300. So yeah, we'll get into all the rest of this. Yeah. Okay guys, I think we'll put her up here now, look. Yeah. It's as clean as I'm going to get it for now. I've got some of the rust off it, you know, and I can give it a little wipe down, and for now it'll be okay, and then I'll restore it. Okay, I might start a little series and a repaint and everything and go through it, and if anybody wants to just, you see there, right, we got a metric thread chart and what screw gear and idler gear and stud gear and the millimeter pitch. So like for a 1.5 millimeter pitch there, which is kind of standard in a lot of the threads, you need a stud gear of 48, yeah, idler gears figure 2, and a screw gear of 80. So I don't even know, I've got to go through the gears and figure out what gears you know, it's come with it and stuff. Yeah, this is original colour, I would say, here. You know, it's like a grey blue. And you have your English lead screw here, 8 threads per inch. I don't know if that's Imperial, I'm not sure. Yeah. So that's it. And we've got straight through. I don't know, see if there's a piece there for the collets. You could put collets in it. But anyway, we'll marry it up, yeah? And we'll tidy it all up as time goes by and restore it, and it'll be another nice piece to have. I've got to make a pin, so I need to get it sorted. Like I said, a pin and the tractor, you know, bust, and I've got to make a pin. It's about 73mm long, I think. I've actually show you. I started making it, and I was in a premises, and that's one of the gears, look, that I've brought in. And I've cleaned the backside, see? I just love cleaning stuff, don't I? So I'm trying out that thing, really, you know. That's what it's about, really, you know, to see what is it any good. It's the chuck, look, yeah. And I've got the tailstock here. I made a start on the tailstock, so you can see where we're going with this, right? And I had this all wrapped overnight, you know, on a cloth tied around that there. But yeah, that comes off now pretty easily. So like, this was completely pretty much, not, I won't say seized up, because it wasn't seized up, but you know, it was unreadable, yeah. And now you have, like, yeah, that's an inch, I would say, yeah. So that there is kind of hard to do with one hand, guys, but you can see it goes out to about 2 inches. Look, that's what I'd call an inch anyway, yeah. And after that it pops it off. Now if you do it in reverse, be easier when it's on the machine. I was just cleaning it up, but like, it feels nice, you know, really nice and smooth now. So the tailstock I can put on it afterwards, yeah. And they say that if you go back, you know, tap that like that, it should knock off. It doesn't though, but it should knock off, yeah. The what do you call it again? No. That came off there last night. No, it was like, that part of it, of course, is really clean in there. It's like a collet, yeah. But yeah, that's it. Look, really nice, smooth. I'm thinking, guys, of just putting it there for the moment. I'll just put it here, yeah. And yeah, it'll be beside our diesel heater and our winch, if you remember all that episode, yeah, and that saga. So that's it, guys. I was moving some stuff around and drinking my water, and yeah, see if I can get the two of these up here and get them bolted together. There you go, guys. Ishka. That's the Irish word for water. Irish spring water. So Ishka. Yeah, you heard it here first, guys. Okay. I'll get you set up there. We'll see how this little lift goes, yeah. I have my banksman, look, yeah. Honestly, health and safety, I'm not sure, yeah. But he's doing a cracking job, yeah. Aren't you, bust? I kicked a stone for you now, and you run into the tripod, and we're having great fun, aren't we? Eh? Or take out a window on the Tiguan. Okay. So I'll get you set up, guys. And we'll see how this goes, like I said, yeah. We'll try that. Yeah, it seems low. Oh yeah. That's how we do that. I know it's a little cheap, but what the heck. Anyway, it goes up, yeah? No matter how we got it up. Headroom and everything else, and yeah, all the variables considered. That's what we do. Doesn't want to go up for some reason. It keeps going down. Whenever I get it up, it goes down. So we just have to play with it. Kind of. There'll be a little bit of rough and tumble, but it seems to be holding now, okay. This thing has a mind of its own, honestly. Now it seems to be, unless it was the level, yeah, that okay, so I see 3. Okay, I'm gonna put the bolts in, guys, yeah? Help myself here a little bit for a minute and I'll bring you back, yeah? Because you don't want to watch me putting bolts in, but basically you can see how that's going now, yeah? And you can see how I got it there, yeah? With the help of my horse, I mean my engine hoist. Cool. Okay. Okay, bolted in for now, and we can make our shaft what we require. Perfect. Okay, that looks like we're in business, guys. Yeah.